Instytut Fotonowy presents LED Revolver, a compact, switchable, user-friendly light source. Equipped with 10 high-power light-emitting diodes. It's easy to connect and operate. Just plug in the power supply and the USB cable. Run the software. Click the Connect button. Select the color. Set the light intensity. Switch it on. And off. Or use other options, such as auto close in. Use ramp. Or modulation of a given frequency or period. The revolver may be used as an independent light source or as a part of a more complex setup. For more details, go to our website Instytut Fotonowy.